Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaय Namah. Today it is Har Satam. Har is the month of Ashada. Its bright fourth night, Saptami, is the seventh day. This day is dedicated to the sun god, and we in Kashmir had Surya temple Martanda. It couldn't be destroyed completely. The essence of Martanda Surya temple, it exists even today. Its yantra, its Mahayantra exists even today because evil cult didn't knew where its essence, its sanctum sanctorium was placed, because at that time the devotees of sun god hide it somewhere unknown to anyone. So we can say that Martanda existed, whereas its structure was destroyed. So this is an ancient worship Kashmiris offer to sun god, particularly on Har Satam day. As per Vishnu Puran, a mystic circle locally known as Har Mandul. Har is the name of the month, Mandul is the mandala in Sanskrit. The ritual used to be performed with natural colors, whichever one used to use in the kitchen, food items. A circle was drawn depicting the seven colors of sun, a rangoli type. Rangoli is a colored circle with various colors, whatever is available in the house. The housewife used to draw it in the early morning after taking bath and worshipping sun god with mantras and stotras and kavachas. Everything was recited as per rituals. This particularly was drawn in the puja room, which is Thokurkut in Kashmiri, and in kitchen also this was used to be drawn. This particular colorful circle image represented sun god. Some eatables like sweet kheer and tahar, which is salty one, used to be offered to the devta, sun god, along with a glass of water that was kept in the center of the circle. After this worship, the prasadam, tahar and kheer used to be distributed among family members. This was a particular day of thanksgiving to sun god and so many other aspects which nowadays, even after exodus and so much of devastation in Kashmir, far off, far flung Kashmiri Pandits even today celebrate this day at their respective places where they are. And social media is full of images and all the sharing regarding this Haramandal to thank Sun God. And we too pray Sun God for forgiveness. A man has been so cruel to the nature who brought death and disease to this earth. So we pray Sun God to forgive man and punish the culprits and guide us in this darkness and wave off all the evils from this earth. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namah. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanavi Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Ath Surya Kavach Stotram. Yagvalakya Uvacha. Shrunushva Munisharadul Suryasya Kavacham Shubham. Shrirārogyadam divyam sarva saubhagyadayakam. Daidipyamanam mukutam supurnam karakundalam. ध्यात्वा सहस्रकिरणं स्तोत्रम् एतत्तुदीरये। शिरो मे भास्करः पातु ललाटे मे मित्तद्युतिः। नेत्रे दिनमणिः पातु श्रवणे वास्वरेश्वरः। घ्राणं धर्मगृणिः पातु वदनं वेदवाहनः। जिह्वां मे मानदः पातु कण्ठं मे सुरवन्दितः। स्कन्धौ प्रभाकरं पातु वक्षः पातु जनप्रियः। पातु पादौ द्वादशात्मा सर्वाङ्गसकलेश्वरः। सूर्यक्षात्मकं स्तोत्रं लिखित्वा भूर्जपत्रके। दधाति यः करे तस्य वशगः सर्वसिद्धयः। सुस्नातो यो जपेत् सम्यक् यो अधीते स्वस्थमानसः। स रोगमुक्तो दीर्घायुः सुखं पुष्टिं च विन्दति। इति श्रीमहायाज्ञवल्क्यमुनिविरचितं सूर्यकवचस्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्। To make sun god happy, this Surya Kavacha, offering of Arghya to sun god, along with the reading of this Kavacha, makes sun god immensely happy. It blesses the individual or whosoever chants this Kavacha. Suryashtakam. Sambhuvacha. आदिदेव नमस्तुभ्यं प्रसीद मम भास्कर। दिवाकर नमस्तुभ्यं प्रभाकर नमोऽस्तु। सप्ताश्वरथमारूढं प्रचण्डं कश्यपात्मजं। श्वेतपद्मधरं देवं तं सूर्यप्रणमाम्यहम्। लोहितरथमारूढं सर्वलोकपितामहम्। महापापहरं देवं तं सूर्यप्रणमाम्यहम्। त्रैगुण्यं च महाशूरं ब्रह्मा विष्णुमहेश्वरम्। महापापहरं देवं तं सूर्यप्रणमाम्यहम्। गृहीतं तेजः पुञ्जं च वायुमाकाशमेव च। प्रभुं च सर्वलोकानां तं सूर्यप्रणमाम्यहम्। बन्दूकपुष्पसङ्काशं हारकुण्डलभूषितम्। एकचक्रधरं देवं तं सूर्यप्रणमाम्यहम्। तं सूर्यं जगत्कर्तारं महातेजः प्रदीपनम्। महापापहरं देवं तं सूर्यप्रणमाम्यहम्। तं सूर्यं जगतां ज्ञानविज्ञानमोक्षदम्। महापापहरं देवं तं सूर्यप्रणमाम्यहम्। इति श्रीशिवप्रोक्तं सूर्याष्टकं सम्पूर्णम्. Lord Krishna's son Sambha used to worship sun god to please him, and this stotra used to be known as Sambha Sadashiva Stotra. To please sun god, devotees used to recite mantras in this way as well. While facing sun god in the morning, all these activities addressed or dedicated to sun god should be done before 8 a.m. That's more fruitful. Not just one cannot do it later on, but preferably one must do it before 8 a.m. Om Mitraya Namaha, Om Ravaye Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Bhanave Namaha, Om Khagaya Namaha, Om Pushne Namaha, Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha, Om Marichaye Namaha, Om Adityaya Namaha, Om Savitre Namaha, Om Argaya Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha, Om Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Khagabhushne Hiranyagarbh Marichayitya Savitrak Bhaskarevyo Namah. We also have Surya Mantra for Japaha, which is like this. Om Ram Ravaye Namaha, Om Ram Ravaye Namaha, Om Ram Ravaye Namaha. Om Ram Ravaye is Ravi, Nama is to bow.